Hi, welcome. This is a Power BI dashboard I created for Zepto's Inventory Dataset, a quick commerce platform. The goal was to provide real-time insights into category-wise sales, stock levels, and product performance. Dashboard Overview. The left panel highlights key KPIs including total sales, available quantity, and average discount offered. In the center, I've visualized the top 5 categories by revenue and quantity sold, using a dual-axis chart for better comparison. A donut chart displays top-selling products by quantity, while detailed bar charts and line graphs track overall revenue, discount percentage, and SKU variety across all categories. The dashboard includes slicers for out-of-stock filtering, and a dynamic view of the top 5 categories is powered by a separate data model. Users can instantly identify low-stock categories, high-discount items, and high-performing product segments. This project demonstrates my ability to build data-driven dashboards that support inventory planning, marketing strategy, and business decisions. Let's walk through the entire dashboard building process, step by step. We begin by adding a ribbon chart to visualize the sum of quantity by category. On the axis, we selected category, and for values, we added quantity. This chart helps identify which categories have the highest product quantities. After placing the visual, we customized the canvas background using a dark blue-black theme to enhance visual contrast. Then, we set the chart background to transparent, changed all text to white, and applied a light blue shade to the bars to keep it clean and visually appealing. Next, we added a donut chart to analyze discount percent by category. This shows which product categories are being heavily discounted, valuable for evaluating promotional strategies. Our third visual was a stacked column chart, where we visualized the count of net price by category. This chart helps identify how many different price points exist within each product category, useful for pricing analysis. Then, we used a line chart to plot total revenue by category. This gives a clear view of revenue contribution from each category and helps identify top performers like chocolates and candies or ice cream and desserts. To track performance at a glance, we added KPI cards on the left. These show metrics like average discount percent, max sale by category, total available quantity, and total quantity in stock. We also included filters and slicers, one for category and another for out-of-stock items. These allow users to dynamically filter the entire dashboard and focus on specific inventory or availability data. On the top left, we added the Zepto logo for professional branding. Finally, we inserted a pie chart displaying the top 5 products by quantity to highlight the highest-selling individual items. This dashboard provides powerful insights into sales, inventory, discounts, and product performance, making it a valuable tool for business and inventory planning at Zepto. Thanks for watching.